Hi, so today we are back again with another video, and this video is about the laptop that I'm using for 4.5 years, and it's going to last more 5 years at least, unless, well, someone throws it or do something else with it, burn it, do something else with it. Yeah, so basically this laptop can last easily 4 more years, and I'm using this for 4.5 years. So this is MacBook i9 9th generation Intel, of course, 32 GB RAM and 1 TB SSD. So this is basically much slimmer, of course, than the M1 or M2 or M3 series. And for the comparison, let's look at comparison with the M3 version. So this is M3 and this is this i9, so it's much slimmer, but for the weight, basically this is 15-inch and this is 14.2-inch. This weight is, of course, is 1.8 kg, this is 1.5 kg. So there is a useless feature with it. So there is the touch bar, which is really, I would say, useless. Yeah, I maximum use this for increasing brightness or increasing the sound. Except that I never use it for anything else. Of course, people use it, the developers use it, but I really don't need it. Or I don't know, man, most of the people don't need it. Well, with the 15-inch, the good thing is the mouse pad or the trackpad, which is really big, so it's easy to use. And the battery of this laptop, when it came, it was very good, but now after using 4.5 years, it has more than 1100 cycles, so battery is basically now almost useless. If I use it for more than for a bit of programming for around half an hour, well, the battery is dead. But I don't care about it because I always have the electricity, like electric supply, with me. So this is really amazing laptop, I would say. If you are on a budget, if you want to get a good laptop under, let's say, 1100 euros, 1100 euros, then very definitely you can go for this model. So let's look at the audio quality of this. So the sound basically here is not as good as I would say for M1, M2 or M3 model. You can look at the sound comparison. I have another video in my channel which you can see the comparison between M1 and M3, and you will see that the sound on M1 and M3 is much better than this, of course, except that this laptop is really useful. It's slim, okay, it's a bit heavy for traveling. I would not recommend this to take 1.8 kg along with other accessories that you are traveling with, I don't know, camera or any other thing. This laptop is not worth taking it that. So if you can spend a bit more money, for example, this you can get in around 1000. Spending 300 to 400 more euros, you can get M1 in pretty good condition along with the the box. Even like, it depends on how a person was using it. So you can basically get easily the M1 model, M1 Pro, that is with 16 GB unified and half terabyte memory, instead of going for more than 1000 euros for this, which is a bit old. Of course, you can easily use it for more 5 years now from 2024, and this is 2019 model. I got it, I remember, in November 2019, sorry, and it works pretty well. For me, it's still working good. It can work more 5 years. It has 32 GB RAM, that's more than enough for my things. It has 1 terabyte, and of course you can have extra external hard drives. It has 4 USB-C ports, 2 on this side, 2 on this side, and as well as the earphone jack, the audio jack, and it's slim, it's good. If you have any other question for this laptop, kindly let me know in the comments. Please do not forget to subscribe the channel and share this video or like the video if you really like the video. If you have any other suggestion, if you want to ask something else, well, the comment box is always open. Please let me know and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.